Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to find the values of trigonometric ratios for different angles. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, also press the bell icon to receive updates. So let's start. First we will draw the table as I have already done earlier. Now we will write down the ratios in the first column. The ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now we will write down the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree in the first row. Now in this second row, which represents sine, we will find the values of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. So to find the value, we have to write the digits, rather the numbers 0 to 4 in ascending order in the different boxes. So we will start with 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Now we will divide each of these numbers by 4. 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4. Now we will find the square root of these numbers. So we will write square root of 0 by 4. We will write square root of 1 by 4. We will write square root of 2 by 4. We will write square root of 3 by 4. We will write square root of 4 by 4. 0 by 4 is 0. So square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Because square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Therefore square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now square root of 2 by 4. For square root of 2 by 4, we need to first reduce the fraction 2 by 4 and it will be reduced to 1 by 2. So root over of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Square root of root 3 by 4, square root of 3 by 4, that is will be root 3 by 2, because we cannot find the square root of 3 in whole numbers. So we will write root 3 as it is, and the square root of 4 is 2, so we will write 2 in denominator. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so root over of 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now for cos, we will write the results of the previous boxes in the opposite order. That is, we will start with 1 over here. Before 1 was root 3 by 2, so we will write root 3 by 2 over here. Before root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 was there, so we will write 1 by root 2 over here. Here we will write 1 by 2 in the same manner, and here we will write 0. So sine 0 degree is 0, whereas cos 0 degree is 1. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, whereas cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 degree is equal to 0. For tan, we will write the values of sine by cos for every angle. So tan 0 degree will be sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0. So tan 0 degree will be 0. Tan 30 degree will be sin 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. Similarly, tan 45 degree will be sin 45 degree by cos 45 degree. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 equals to 1. Tan 60 degree will be equal to sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 equals to root 3. Tan 90 degree will be equal to sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree. 1 divided by 0 is infinity or not defined. So we will write down over here like this. We can also write not defined. Now for cosec, we have to find the reciprocals of the sine. Cosec theta or cosec any angle is reciprocal of sine of that angle. That is, cosec 0 degree will be the reciprocal of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is equal to 0. So cosec 0 degree will be not defined or infinity. Cosec 30 degree will be reciprocal of sine 30 degree, that is only 2. Cosec 45 will be reciprocal of sine 45, that is root 2. Cosec 60 degree will be reciprocal of sine 60 degree, that is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degree will be reciprocal of sine 90 degree, that is 1. Similarly, sec 0 degree will be reciprocal of cos 0 degree. Therefore, sec 0 degree will be reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Sec 30 degree will be reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degree will be reciprocal of cos 45 degree, that is root 2. Sec 60 degree will be reciprocal of cos 60 degree, that is 2. Sec 90 degree will be reciprocal of cos 90 degree, that is not defined. Similarly, cot 0 degree will be reciprocal of tan 0 degree, that is not defined. Similarly, cot 30 degree will be reciprocal of tan 30 degree, that is root 3. Cot 45 degree will be reciprocal of tan 45 degree, that is 1. Cot 60 degree will be reciprocal of tan 60 degree, that is 1 by root 3. And cot 90 degree will be reciprocal of tan 90 degree, that is 0.